In this Cranfield Quick Bite video, we demonstrate the steps to install the Microsoft Intune Company Portal mobile management app. Go to your mobile phone's app store and search for Intune Company Portal. Ensure the developer is Microsoft Corporation, then tap Install. When the installation is complete, tap Open. Tap Sign In. Enter your Cranfield email address, then tap Next. Enter your Cranfield password on the Cranfield login screen, then tap Sign In. If you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed, enter the generated code now, then tap Verify. Tap Begin to start the configuration. Tap Continue. Tap Next. If prompted, tap Allow for Company Portal to manage phone calls and allow access to your contacts. Tap Activate. Then tap Done. You're all set up. Intune Company Portal provides access to various Microsoft apps. It lists the devices you have access to or are currently logged into, and provides the contact details for the service desk.